Hello, prospective English 725 Advanced Usability students. I'm Dr. John Sparks, and I want to make a quick video just to update you on what's happening with the course. I've completely redesigned what the course is from the last time I taught it, and really focusing on giving you more opportunities to dig in on the different approaches to doing usability testing, both from a theoretical but more specifically from an applied and a practical perspective. So ultimately the way the course is going to run is you will be given the opportunity to select an interface of your choosing. And when I talk about interface, that doesn't just mean a web interface. It means anything that we as users engage to try to accomplish some sort of task. So many of you have taken English 730, so you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about as it relates to interfaces. Ultimately, the way the course is going to run is the first couple of weeks will really just to be sort of giving you an opportunity to get a real sense of usability and user experience from a general perspective. I've selected a couple of new texts that we're going to be working with, especially ones that I think will be great for those of you that are on the job and your individuals wanting to be able to do some user experience or usability work to accomplish your own goals in the jobs that you're in. Once we take care of that, essentially what we'll be doing is we'll be working through a host of what I'm calling sprints of usability approaches. So in each of those sprints will all be focused on gathering information, doing user-centered usability research on that individual interface. Those sprints include things like user research, talking about doing stakeholder interviews, persona development, things of that nature to gather information before we actually intentionally engage the interfaces and doing some testing of their usability. From there we'll move into doing expert review type of testing, which really doesn't require us to engage any actual users of the site. And this includes things like heuristic evaluations and cognitive walkthroughs. We'll then move into assessing the information architecture of an interface. And we'll do that by looking at different approaches to doing card sorting, from open card sorting to closed card sorting through tree testing, depending on where the information architecture of the interfaces that you're going to be engaging are in their design and development. After we do information architecture testing, we'll move into doing some quantitative usability testing, including things like click testing, A to B analysis, or task analysis. And then we'll move into some qualitative usability testing approaches, which include things like think aloud protocols, contextual interviews, and general observations of people using the interfaces themselves. All of those last three sprints, again, that I'm calling them, will require that you actually go out and you recruit users of those interfaces and you test those users. Ultimately, what you'll be doing is you'll be generating lots and lots of data about this particular interface through different approaches to doing usability testing. And then in the end, you will create a document and a report that ultimately represents your analysis of that data from those various test results and reporting out and some rank ordering of issues, usability issues that you found throughout those tests. So it's a great opportunity for you to be able to do some very robust testing on an interface that you're interested in and to be able to gather information about the usability of that interface and then also contribute to any information about redesign or rethinking things on usability in your own jobs or other interfaces where you might be able to engage stakeholders. So I'm really looking forward to the course. I'm still developing the day-to-day calendar and the ins and outs of what will happen over the 8 weeks, but ultimately know that what you will get is you will get a wide breadth of understanding of each of the different types of usability tests, and you'll also have an opportunity to practice those in a very focused way on an interface of your choosing. I hope you sign up. I look forward to having you in class in the summer. Have a great day.